I think a group is better than alone, because if I study alone, it is bored, but as a group, I can talk with friends, so group is better than study alone. First, study alone is bored, because I do alone, teacher asks questions all to me, so I am little bit burdened. For example, I study alone, it is bored, and teacher asks all of questions to me, so it is so bored and sleepy. And in classes, I have no friends, so it is bored. So alone is not funny, not on board. So I think I don't like study alone. Second, if I do group, it is funny, because I do group, I can talk with my friends. For example, I do group, I can talk with friends, and teacher don't talk question many times, so I can relax. And if a class is done, I can play with class friends, and I can make a lot of friends, so I can go in class with my friends. Do you prefer to study alone or in group? I think a group is better than alone. Thank you for listening our speech.